Hi everyone, welcome to Armcandy. So today we've got for you this gorgeous Chloé Roy bag. So this Chloé Roy has one short strap handle at the top and I quite like it. It's in a contrasting colour, it's quite cool. At the front we have this flat pocket here. So one big flat pocket at the front, and then we've got the zip closure, so I'll just open it up and show you the inside. So inside we've got one main compartment, and then you can see at the back there we've got that zipped flat pocket at the back, and on the other side got another flat pocket there as well. So for the condition of this bag, we have called the exterior very good. There's almost nothing to say about it. There is just a couple of marks. So just on the front here, you can see just one little mark there. But other than that, it is pretty good. Inside, again, we've called that very good. There's almost nothing to say about it. There is just, and it's really, really tiny, barely noticeable, but just wanted to point it out to you. A couple of marks just on these leather bits here. Tiny, tiny, barely noticeable on the camera, but just tiny little indentations from where the bag's been closed, and it's kind of indented a little bit there. For the hardware, I'll zip this up and show you. We've again called that very good. There's almost nothing to say about it. As you can see, these oversized handles at the side, oversized rings, I mean, sorry, which are kind of securing the side gussets, still have the packaging on them, so they're in great condition. What else can I show you? There's just a little bit on the zip. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but there's just a little bit of discoloration there on the zip. But other than that, the hardware is in very good condition. This Chloé comes with another long removable strap, which I'll show you when I show you the size of it. It also has the Chloé bag, dust bag to protect it, and we've got Chloé product tag, and we've got the little Chloé envelope, and I'll open it up and show you the inside. So in here we've got the authenticity card, and then also this little care booklet as well. So for the size of this one, if you want to see the exact measurements, go to the link in the description below, and it should hopefully take you directly to this bag where you can find all the exact measurements. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you do love this bag, then you can email us, go to our contact form, fill it out, let us know that you love this, and we can get you on our request list, which just means that you'll get an alert anytime we get in another bag that is this one or anything like this, and that applies to any bag that you like as well. So go to the contact form on our website and get on our request list. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10 and 5'4", and I'll probably wear it on my shoulder like that. So yeah, size UK 10 and 5'4", and I'll pop the strap on as well so I can show you what it looks like with the long strap. So with the long strap as well, that's what it looks like, and then you can also wear it as a crossbody like that. So for more details on this bag, go to our website. You'll find so many more bags on there as well. On our website you'll also find the option to sign up to our newsletter. If you sign up to that, pop your email in the little box at the bottom of each page on our website. We will send you through your discount code. That should hopefully go straight through to your email. If you can't find it straight away, go into your spam or your junk folder, it might have gone into there, but make sure you get your discount code. Also on our website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, where you can find all the details that you need to know if you have any bags that you would like to sell with Armcandy. So that's all I have for you today, and we'll see you later with some more Armcandy.